night time they come to life. That's why we like to keep them in good and nice condition.
So open the door and let us in! Keep wiggling those fingers, small folk. Think those magical Christmas thoughts. Oh, it's working, Eco!
Forest enchanted, let our wishes be granted!
Jolly good, well done, small folk. Your magic opened the secret door.
Hello everyone! Hello and welcome to Lapland, home of Father Christmas and the elves. My name is Helga.
My name is Conker, as I'm sure many of you already know. And, well, we're quite busy, aren't we?
I think that's the understatement of the millennia there, Conker. Yes, we are absolutely awash in toys that need to be made, and we don't know, we're just...
We have so much work.
Oh, well, that's awfully kind of you. You thought,
I get to.
I'm sorry, but there was nobody at the toy factory to answer your order this morning. And the ones that we made are wooden.
Now, small folk, I'm going to close the box now. There. Which you are right, Conker. I saw all the stuff that cuddly takes.
You're welcome. Look at this.
Well, that is it. I'm so happy that you came to visit me. You know, we've been counting down the days since Father Christmas told us he was sending some special invitations.
That sounds like a plan, doesn't it? Pixie Mixie's got all the sweets in the world in there.
Lollipops and chocolate and jelly beans and everything. Well, how about...
Yeah, they're very, very nice. What in there? Is it a waffle? Jealous? Try and sneak in with them soon. Will you have a lovely day, okay? I'll see you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.
Would you like to write your letters for Christmas today? Yeah, there's nothing in there. This one.
Oh, look, this one. This one, look.
Hi.
Oh, they're good, aren't they? Very brave huskies indeed. Lovely. Have you seen Wish and Conker in the toy factory today?
Yes.
you have. Is Conker being good, or is he being silly? Oh, silly Conker, he's often silly, isn't he? So he hasn't got his golden bell yet. He keeps being silly. Wish told me you were very good in the toy factory today. She said you were helping to make the teddy bears, is that right? Well, thank you very much for that. We need lots made, don't we? In fact, she said you did such a nice job. Oh, lovely. Are you looking forward to Christmas?
Yeah.
You are. What would you like for Christmas, Aria?
I don't know yet.
Oh, that's okay. There's still just about enough time. If you want to write a little list and post it to me, we'll see if we can make something on the list. Very nice then. Oh, but of course, if we're going to make you something nice, you'll need to be on my good list, won't you? Have you been very good this year? Oh, I hope so. Shall we check? Oh, let me see. Is Aria on my good list? Oh, yes, indeed. I remember now. You've been so good at your gymnastics, haven't you? That's right. You've been getting lots of medals, haven't you, this year?
Yeah.
Well done, indeed.
I think I got a 10.
I think you did, didn't you? Well done, indeed, Aria. What's your favourite gymnastics move?
Cartwheels, two handstand bridge.
Oh, very good indeed. That sounds impressive. Well done indeed. Well, keep up the good work there. Given you've been so good this year, how about an early Christmas present for you, Aria? Would you like that?
Yeah.
You would? Well, let me see if I have something in here for you.